Good morning students. Jai Swaminarayan. Hope you all are good and doing well. Thought of the day is, the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character is a goal of true education. That thought is said by the Martin Luther King. That means he was saying that intelligence plus character. Okay, education gives to intelligence. Okay, and intelligence with character. That means it not needed that education person having the good character, but education with good character. Good character means what? You are a humble, you are a kind person to needed one, okay, and to you helpful to others. That is the characteristics. Okay, so intelligence plus characters, it's a goal, true goal of the real education. Okay, and today students, we continue our revision of second lesson, that is the lesson fractions and decimal. Next question of that, classify the fractions as improper fraction, proper fraction and whole numbers. Improper fraction means it's a fraction, numerator is always greater than the denominator, so that fraction is the improper fraction. Proper, numerator is always less than the denominator, and whole number, as we know, it's starting from 0 to 1. Got it? Here one number is given, that is the 2 by 1. Whenever in denominator 1 is there, the number is also whole number, so it should be considered in a whole number. Got it? So 3 upon 5, numerator less है, so it's proper, and if numerator is greater, it's a improper fraction. Do yourself only. Okay, then express as rupees using a decimal. Given values or quantity given, that given in a paise, okay, quantity that in a paise unit, and you have to convert that quantity into the rupees. 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Whenever you convert larger to smaller, it should be multiplied, and smaller to larger, it should be divided. So we divided by 100. So 7 divided by 100, it's a upon 100, that means you take the decimal point after 2 digits, so 0.07 rupees. Same 9 rupees and 9 paise. Here one quantity is in a rupees and one quantity is in a paise. No need to convert that value because it's already in rupees. You just first convert into that 9 paise. 9 rupees you have to write like that only. 9 paise means 9 upon 100 rupees. It's a 0.09. So 9 plus 0.09, it's a 9.09 rupees. Got it? Like that. Remaining sums you have to solve yourself only. Express in kg. Okay, here also smaller quantity to larger quantity. 200 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 200 upon 1000, 00, it's a cut, or 2 upon 10, that means 0.2, or like that 200 upon 1000, that means you just put up the after 3 number digit decimal place, so it's a 0.002 point and a 0.200, that means that 0, it's a meaningless. Okay, like that you have to solve. 5 kg 200 gram. 5 kg is already in kg, you just convert 200 gram. So 200 gram, that means 0.200 kg. So you just added both the value, that means 5.200 kg. Got it? Like that you have to solve the question number 4. Next question, that is the practical examples or problems. Samira purchased 3 whole 1 upon 2 kg apples and 4 whole 3 by 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of the fruit purchased by the her? First, here total, you have to find the total number of total weight of that fruit. That means you have to add it that both the fractions. But before that, that both fractions are the mixed fraction. First you have to convert into the improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2, 4 4 is 16 plus 3 it's a 19 by 4. Okay, after that whenever you added both the fractions, you check the denominator. If denominators are different, we have to find the LCM of that denominator. Here numbers are 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is a 4 by the division method. Okay, and जो भी LCM आता है उसको आपको दोनों को फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर में डालना है. सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन ऑलरेडी हैविंग द डिनोमिनेटर 4, फर्स्ट नॉट, so you just multiply by that 2 and same number you have to multiply in numerator. So 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Here denominators are same, so write one time and added the numerators. 14 plus 19 it's a 33 upon 4, that is the total weight of that fruits, and then you convert that value into the improper fraction. 4 3s are 22, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1 it's a 33 upon 4. Therefore total weight of all fruits is 8 whole 1 by 4 kg. Got it? Like that you have to solve. The side of an next question. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its parameter. What is the formula of parameter of equilateral triangle? It's a 3 multiplied by side. So side is 3.5. 3 multiplied by 3.5. It's a 10.5 centimeter. Got it? Like that only you have to solve the remaining 3 questions in that practice sheet. Got it, students? Okay. And next video we completed our remaining practice sheet of that lesson. Okay, and after that revision will be complete. Okay, thank you, students.